Alright, here's a circle in standard form, and you should recognize that this has a center of 2, 3, and a radius that's not 10, but the square root of 10. But what's it look like in general form, which is supposed to be x squared plus y squared plus some x's plus some y's plus a constant equals 0. How do we get this to look in that form? Well, we have to remember how to square a binomial like this. We have to take x minus 2, squaring it means times itself, and if I square that I get x times x, which is x squared, minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. And when I square this, plus here for that, I got y minus 3 times y minus 3. And that would be y squared minus 3y minus 3y plus 9 equals, so I squared that, and I got 10. Now I've got to rewrite it so it looks like this. So I have x squared, that's the only x squared, taking care of it. I then write my y squareds, and I only have that y squared. Then it says put the x's. Well, I have minus 2 and minus 2, that's minus 4 x's, so the a is minus 4. Then put the y's. Well, I have minus 3 and minus 3, that's minus 6 y's. And then it says put the constant. Well, I got 4 and 9 is 13, but I also have to bring the 10 over, which is minus 10 on both sides. So I can have 0 over here. So I have 4 and 9, 13 minus 10 is 3. And I've just changed a standard form to a general form. Now, let's just talk for a moment about that. Can I read the center out of this? And the answer is yes, but it's not easy. Notice that the minus 2 turns into a minus 2 and minus 2x in two places and makes minus 4. So this tells me that the coefficient, this a, half of that, opposite in sign, tells me the x coordinate of the center. So half of minus 4 is minus 2, change the sign, center's at 2. And likewise, this is minus 3 and minus 3, which made minus 6y. So half of the minus 6, change the sign, tells me the center is 3. The radius was the square root of 10, but it got all tangled up with the 4 and the 9 in making this 3. That's the challenge of trying to find the radius for one of these. Now you know the center, you could find one point that works in this and find the distance between them, and that would be the center. And that would be a nice use of the distance formula. But I'm going to show you how to change this form into that in my next video.